Comprehensive heat pump services by AC Pros. We offer a wide array of services, from heat pump maintenance and repair to complete system replacement. At AC Pros, we understand the importance of having a fully functional heat pump, especially during the colder months. That's why our team of highly trained technicians is dedicated to providing top-notch heat pump services to ensure your comfort all year round. What does our heat pump service include? Our heat pump service is comprehensive. We check all the standard components during air conditioning maintenance, along with other crucial elements unique to the heat cycle of heat pumps. These include defrost sensors and boards, reversing valves for proper switching, and ensuring the outdoor fan disengages during a defrost call. If your system includes heat strips, we verify their proper operation, not only during defrost, but also their ability to run independently in an emergency heating situation. When should you schedule a heat pump service? Routine heat pump services are typically performed in the fall. However, we recommend scheduling a service whenever you notice any changes in your heat pump's performance. If you're in need of a heat pump service, don't hesitate to contact us. Why choose AC and professionalism? We're always happy to help, offering free estimates on complete system replacements and after-hours emergency service. Reach us at 928-753-1587. Trust AC Pros for all your heat pump service needs. We're not just professionals, we're your neighbors dedicated to ensuring your comfort.